All right, so welcome back to day 7 of the Influencer Family Daily Mail, as I'm calling it. The whole point of this is just to give you some insight into an influencer life and the kind of packages that we get. It's fun, of course, like we say, to get packages, but it's also work. I have Savannah. She's here. She's not ready for the day yet, even though she's been working. And she's going to join me. And we have all these packages. How many do we have all together?
I was trying to put in my address. You flipped it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somewhere around 10 today. So nothing to it but to do it. Let's get straight into it. This says Savannah.
Dang, that was impressive.
What?
Oh, this is my replacement.
I know I didn't order shoes. Is this something you ordered?
Replacement jeans. They sent me the wrong color.
Oh.
No, that was something that you asked me about. Somebody was sending them to you, and you didn't want them, so they sent me.
Oh.
I don't know.
So Savannah has to review these.
Yeah.
These are, what are these called? Best Clo? They're kind of like a croc, a slider croc.
They're the heaven spongy amazingness.
So that's 2 for you. I don't even know whose name was on this one. This was, I mean, it doesn't matter. It was mine anyway.
Yeah, see?
This is another one of these. Why would he send 2?
What is that?
The shower rod holders. Now we have one for both bathrooms. This is another review product. They're the sticky things that go on the wall to help hold your shower curtain up.
Oh.
What?
I ordered these.
You did.
Look at how cute!
What are they?
Little earrings that looks like dinosaurs are eating their ears.
Oh.
And hippos.
Oh, this is a cool one. This is mine. It's one of those astro projectors, but it's a little astronaut.
How cute.
I'll show you guys real quick. Sneak peek.
And I needed a new nose ring. So.
Because we've all seen the Aurora things where they put like the stars and everything on the ceiling. And they're all just like so standard looking.
Oh gosh, it's going to go off again.
But check out this little dude.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh.
I saw this and they had a spaceship and the astronaut. And I was like, you've got to send me the astronaut.
And you know what? We're getting ready to do our space thing. That will be perfect.
So, very cool little dude here. That's another review.
S. Bennett. What is this?
That's that tool organizer from that new company.
Why is it coming to S. Bennett?
Because that's my initials.
You're taking after me then.
So,
Here.
cool little... This is a big tool rack. It holds your cordless drills and has shelves. It mounts on the wall. Another sponsored product. Oh wait, this came out of the astronaut. He's got a remote. I really like the astronaut. He is awesome.
Steve W.B.
So a lot of influencer packages today. I got to get to work. This
Will you
is
see if those are over there, mine at all?
Savannah. I don't even know what's in there. Like one of those earrings that you had before. This is yours too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. New Orleans Saints earrings or something.
Or something.
Really? Did you say yes to kids cameras?
Oh. That was your, not cameras. No.
So 2 kids cameras. These are just like the little toy cameras. They actually work and take okay video and decent photos. Colty loves these things. He is such a little cameraman. It's crazy how good he is with a camera for being 3.
That was from, look, and then I got this. Supposedly they're amazing. But Colton is extremely
What is that?
car sick.
Oh. I did not say yes to this.
That's from your friend.
Scar repair. Okay. So anyway, another sponsored product. Do you have any more to open? This big one, right?
What's that one in here?
Here, you open this one.
See, they're little nausea bands.
Now this says lithium batteries. Oh, that's your name anyway. You open that one.
Oh. Oh, I know what's in there.
This is...
Oh wait, I did not do this. You'll be happy about this one.
What?
This is yours. You have to do this one.
Another drone.
Oh, cute one.
This is the little LED D23 from DRC.
Where's my phone? I thought
They
this
actually
was-
sponsored me to do this product a while back, and I did it, and then I gave it away, and then they picked me up to do their lives, and they had to send me another one. So, thank you, DRC.
I got that one for you.
Ooh, is this... Oh, nice. Do we have to give this one back? We have a portable power station for camping, hiking, hunting, fishing, emergencies, hurricanes, just power losses altogether. You can solar charge these. Usually, I've already done 2 of these, and they always make you send them back to the manufacturer. But this one is a keeper. Are they paying us on top of letting us keep it? Double good.
I saw it. And I was like, do I get to keep it? She's like, yeah. Like, okay. Go ahead and open that one.
Carter, you gotta leave. I'm kidding. Here is something that Savannah bought, like half off. It was a deal.
It's a steal,
It was a steal.
not a deal.
So this is a personal purchase, but if it's on Amazon, we will be reviewing it,
It was.
because when you start doing what we do,
Sam's Club.
every single thing that you buy, if it's on Amazon, whether you buy it at Walmart, Target, the mall, if it's on Amazon, you do a review and you stick it on Amazon. So pretty big haul today, especially for a Saturday. I expect tomorrow will be a much slower day, but we never know. So with that being said, if you like videos like this, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, by all means, just drop a comment. If you don't like videos like this, keep it to yourself. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.
Tell him, say thanks.